Hello, good morning. I think Sidi Ayukta number good morning or anyone. So this video would be about karambo hensige kay matao hensige. Okay, crush ki uhele ko kanang ma commenta ama haya ki bane crush ki yinge hana. So let's see crush ki di yenga see and what is my crush thinking then being this option hum thama age bako option se kay thamjige option se okay ahan the gari show am chala ra sina second option ohela bako adagi bag phake kay yauri kay yauri okay lipstick ama yaura and fragrance maga sigi ahumse manungsida first second third amam khanbiro adu describe to chanaragadi oire chanadragadi atop khanbiro nai tawse ba magi mase kamai tawi kholi habda happy describe toroke ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ now ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇꯤ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯦꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯊꯝꯃꯒꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ and let's start shuffling ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯊꯣꯔꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯈꯨꯝꯗ ꯎꯞꯁꯜꯂ ꯇꯥꯝꯅ ꯎꯞꯁꯜꯂ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯝꯃꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯒꯦ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯈꯩ ꯂꯧꯔꯗꯧꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯔꯠꯀ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯂꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯊꯤꯡ ꯏꯅꯐ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯍꯩꯃꯥ ꯍꯩꯃꯥ ꯑꯌꯥ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯩꯅꯦꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯝꯃꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯋꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯁ ꯋꯥꯠ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯌꯨ ꯊꯤꯡꯀꯤꯡ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯋꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯁꯁꯦ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯁ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯁꯅꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯗꯤꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯞꯁꯟ ꯄꯔꯁꯅꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯞꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯀꯥꯔꯠꯁ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯅ ꯔꯦꯟꯗꯝꯂꯤ ꯄꯨꯜ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯔꯠꯁ ꯈꯔꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯐꯥꯔꯁꯂꯤ ꯉꯥꯏꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯁ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯦꯝꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯁ ꯅꯦꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦꯕ ꯔꯤꯚꯔꯁꯇ ꯈꯥꯡꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯀꯟꯖꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯈꯥꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯗꯕ ꯀꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯋꯥꯟꯁ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯀꯃꯤꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯤꯒꯟꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯄꯦꯖ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯋꯥꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯈꯟꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯁꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯖꯟ ꯍꯟꯖꯟꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤꯔꯥ ꯈꯟꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ 10 ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯖꯁꯃꯦꯟ ꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯂꯥꯟꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯗꯇꯗꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯨꯡꯂꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯉꯥꯏ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯪꯁꯟꯒꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯗꯤ ꯖꯔ ꯆꯪꯁꯜꯂꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯃꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗ ꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯆꯒꯠꯄ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯀꯣ so if this resonates ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ this is your reading welcome to your reading ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤꯀꯣ first of all what I'm seeing is ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯔꯗꯁꯤꯅꯀꯣ queen of cups very very feelings ꯇꯣ reciprocate ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯃꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯁ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦꯕ ꯃꯦꯕꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯀꯟꯐꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯦꯕꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯟꯐꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯁ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯂꯤꯞꯂꯦꯁ ꯅꯥꯏꯠꯁ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯄꯦꯟꯇꯤꯀꯜꯁ ꯁꯤꯛꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯦ ꯕꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯇꯨ ꯂꯚꯔꯁꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯁ ꯊꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯊꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯅꯗꯤ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯈꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯋꯥꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯝ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯄꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯣꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯁ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯟꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯒ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯤꯟꯖꯕꯗꯣ ꯗꯦꯂꯨꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯕꯗꯣ ꯗꯦꯂꯨꯂꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯦꯖꯤꯁꯤꯌꯟ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯄꯦꯟꯇꯤꯀꯜꯁ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ established oina ui ko yamna accomplished oiba woman ama oina ui magi na habda nopti kana khanjaba ko aduga page of swords masi feelings se hadi leiriba mari se kairakkadana adugi akibusu layeba confess tawuba kanda manadi khangde su khangde habdi group 1 su crush lay khole je su khangde or maybe mana phawis ne hene lumna oibagi adi scale laydana ko every relationship dynamic every two-person kano tawba kanda in love oiba kanda ani je chap manarandi sunle leroba amana yamna amana kitang ani de yengna compare tawnabada adudugi matangda oidini ko manadi kar hele and the magicians in a he does want to mm, take a step forward haitare dubu I don't think my steps lokhat kani habdi udeba ko lokhat ke ni khalle roju ke ma lokhat ke di hedi lokhalani ai tawrani hana chap yona lepente I will do it and di khalla kanda sinumita kai di leptribodo samai samai tawi kai di leptribo just thinking the wakal di I will do it and khalleba aduni crush ki first ki se ado adumaina laire group 1 gi if you want a personal reading you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp number do contact info do description box ta yaubni yengbiro so let's move on to the second group this one yenglasi card shuffle tokthorasi group 2 prashna kari khali let's see okay sita jare ko okay sita jare kuni sita jare kuni mapum moi dar asina personality gi ni yengasi ko this one sina personality sigai sina sumaina phak sa phak tok se kamai to bana di yengasi do si phak tringa da hana magi personality ki group tarakyu di yengasi ko sina chum okay number 1 hamada queen of swords wa kya ngam minate share yam to ko minate mage ba poto magi ne khonjala thamba yam kana not a big sharer ko sadness khara yawri monda night of swords thang ata taini gaino ne options yam leba mine okay swords na yam I don't think si se yam kana positive oram do di mande ko habidi maze khara guarded oiba yam kana share to maybe pura fully introvert on basi ko introvert oibagi kanam ta kaim ta ngangna da badu mi na di sakkai kana khangbi ba khanbi ba tare ko do maze mi na so dum mysterious oibagi mi na jo crush leina ba haikatra mi to nupi hedi nupi da ora kana nupa ma yamna dum kan to ba do nupa da nupi ma yamna dum khanja ba haita adugumba mida mysterious oiba and mase mina he changzalaga wari sanabase he ngamdaba ko yamna mise akiba mukti haira kitang khautak chaba do adugumba type mise oidine ko duna kaigum se sanargadi welcome to your reading group 2 let's start first si cards the yengasi okay the chariot the fool the high priestess reverse the temperance laira okay ama wow si card se yamna lotning bai mong naina phakto ke tawdang chan ta gi ko aduduna si card se this is something that he does not want anybody to know yare ko si swai thamjin let's see si swai logra yamna not a big sharer to se ta ba chama gum dai ko not a big sharer ma yam kana share to bu ko pam de patience di yam laite to kham be sa to sang khalle and uh, si I think sigi mi se yam kana what this person is feeling for you is not love yet. Love makti phawdribuko. But more like okay kind of khanbado habidi kaigumba manas mata maybe this person knows I sum khanbada khangam basu yai ko khangam khangbagi ma kanam to I khangi je kanam haido oi ka haiding be mong ne ba wants to start something but very defensive oiba yamna guarded oibado duduna yamna 100% thadaraga tawni habdi leite ma se kitang maybe before this whole thing before this relationship ke kagi yam kanna mamangda mongda khudi thijangi bhagadra khuthi banangi badugumba ka thengna bagi does not trust much thaza ba kya legande but still wants to give all in. I want to fall like a fool kind of khanbado khalleba habdi punsida at least amutang di adana feel tawninge kind of khalleba ko without any worry about falling hard on the ground kind of khanjabado awang taninge am nungaina tension free hoina love ta fall tawninge patience leite toslege khali kanata di haido ai khali kaigumba khangamba yai ko group tu na monda smai faw I have ado si fawe je khangba kanda yamna wish fulfillment oina yamna ningba thunge I wish fulfilled oire gana khalle ba ko ado mangonda wish fulfilled oire na khanjaraga su mana oina hena natraga masu group tu ga chang mana na group tu khanbi habati adudi kitang kaino oirani ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯞꯆꯜꯂꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯒꯤꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯔꯥ shall I fall for this person shall I give this a chance ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ but still be careful ꯌꯥꯝꯅ defensive ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯤ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯥꯏ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒꯁꯨꯀꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯗꯤ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯇꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯇꯥꯏꯞ ꯃꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯤꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯥꯒꯤ ꯖꯣꯒꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯦ so this is it for your reading not totally in love with you adubu yamna still yaningba silera group 2 gi thank you for watching and if you want to know in detail natraga personal oiba reading pamagadi because see the general reading na fully 100% loi chanagani have the chance the am name gane buka so if you want a very personal reading then you can reach out to me description box ta igi contact and follow your mane ba adudagi you can reach out to me group 2 gi se loire group 3 amu torsi lipstick group 3 ki krishna kari khali let's see simatare okay reverse them tare si ani oh phakto adum tare phakto tare amna phakto adum lors haha upsala tare okay I think this is enough card se personality ki card khara dum lors go randomly side gi ama lorge mathak gi ama lorge swai makha gi ama lorge last gi ama lorge okay sigai sina sigi last yamga sina my personality oh helase ko let's see chana basanda bana ona tena basiwa okay let's see ahambagida ko sigi kitang into thamge ko sina magi kai phawi habdune queen of cups reverse ta six of pentacles reverse ta okay same is a laptop ke na dikhalle even though magi thamu de kitang love ke ka kitang di phawra ga su I'm not ready for love hai ko knight of swords changjala ga su hurt oina tawraga to kini kana khalle so six of pentacles I will not be able to give you what you give me sinigole is ado hujo ji si je si di my personality ni nan the group 3 the high have nataba ma in general everybody the senior high say I'm not ready for love even though I can love. I'm not ready to be in love ko committed relationship amagi damang tay ready oidri anduna noina pirapa effort me do na ngon pirapa effort time da I chap mana na ngon da reciprocate to wangamoy adum hurt to na ba chang jalak patani so I want to move away from love habagi personality ni ko siglay rise. Let's keep this in mind. Sila ira my personality gi. Let's see sila yung mga horse. First the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, want to start something new. The Devil, no toxicity. Two of Cups and liver. Two of Cups said lover ni ko. Lover nung sinapagi in reverse tare. Cannot trust anybody. The Emperor, ningtho habase. Apho magi ningtho raza habase. Mathandadi dum tane ba magi ne have me. Aigi ne chap chap 100% depte gram le adu never ko. That's how he feels right now. He or she. That's how this person feels. And Ace of Pentacles. Maze ano ba connection no ba obviously human being amo na crave ti tawze ba. Tawza taragasu. Mm, he doesn't he somehow I think maybe this is a message about a very masculine person. Um the nasise nupi ki message ni mandre sum kan if any guy is watching and sees a ma crush jam nupi ki or if anybody had nupi amada khanjabagi am oiragadi I don't think this is about any female. I think this is about male because on the male, the masculine, get the energy is far away. And so the high say I'm not ready for love, not ready to be lovers. Hedi ma even though ma ano ba connection ma hudo pa pamjaraga so doesn't believe that a toxic sungoy oy na ma sa toxic oy ni na ma thazay ba if lovers or they toxic oy rakani aduna sige po si malay want to walk away from any type of options walk away them tawkini I say me hurt or kani can't trust anybody aduduna want to be left alone so see say magi how this crush feels about you have never maybe this person kind of knows ki group 3 kind of likes me not a group 3 me and nine say not a group 3 yeah sorry group 3 na anything to ko sa magi mong kitang maybe prom if directly 100% kang draga so confess tawrambasu yawmba ko but confess tawdribasingi habit monda habit phangbudo me hadi kitang vibe am phangbudo ado vibe to phangba kana mana sine ba khalis not ready for love I'm sorry sine so group C group 3 gisi laire and I think this is it for the reading. Thank you so much for tuning in yamna in depth because this is a general reading call general reading webinar not everything would be resonating with everybody maybe just like 1 or 2% directly 100% so if you want a very in-depth personal reading I give contact information you can check it out in the description box makada I give WhatsApp ki number you can contact me there and we can set up a personal reading. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.